Hello, today I'm going to show you a load guard in the backrest area in a normal position and the folded position your Audi A4 Avant. Let's start. Let's have a look. This is the load guard. To prevent any damage, we let the load guard retract, of course, slowly if we're going to use it, and we do not take our fingers between that. We must remove the load guard before we return the backrest to a normal upright position. To prevent any damage, we let it retract slowly. That's really important in this case. But an load guard is really cool. Let's start with the normal position, rest position of the back bench. We can get the load guard into position. That means we fold, we get them into position, and behind the rear backrest, we can get it in position, and then we are able to get behind the rear backrest with the hooking points on the right and the left side. In the Avant version, we have not only one of them, it's two position possibility. But first we start with the backrest in a normal position. We can get the load guard into that hook holder, and we get this we get the load guard into place, and now we have a secured installation done. As you can see, we slide the load guard into the mounting on the left and right, and we push the load guard downwards at an angle until it engages on both sides and the rack markings of the buttons are no longer visible. And then we can use the load guard, which prevents objects in the luggage compartment from being thrown forward into the passenger's compartment. It's a safety thing, of course. Let's go to remove this. We are going to get them out of position, as you can see, out of the hook guard holding position, and then it will get back into it. And then to go to the backwards folded down position, we have to first remove it. The load guard we can remove by getting the backrest drop down, as you can see. And if we drop down the backrest, we're able to remove this. The backrest is now folded down, and we are able to remove the load guard again. We fold down the backrest, we press the button on both sides and lift out the load guard out of it. Job's done, baby. And now we're going to the load guard backrest folding down position, because the load guard prevents objects in the luggage compartment from being thrown forward into the passenger's compartment, but in a bigger version now. The folded backrest is there, and we're installing the load guard over there on the back side of that bench. Yeah, we fold down the backrest, we insert the load guard in the slots in the retaining rails, and we slide it all the way to the left position. If we perform this, the backrest is folded down and the load guard is ready to use for a bigger area of the luggage compartment. So now we are hooking it into place. We are going to pull the load guard upwards, and we are going to hook it into the retainers above the front seats. You can see it on the right side and the left side, and now we have a big luggage compartment area where we are ready to prevent stuff from throwing to the passenger's seat and the driver's seat anymore. So let's remove it now. We push the load guard to the right and left it out of the retained rails. After we removed it, of course, out of the clamp position. You can see it's not possible that the backrest can be folded up again if the load guard is stayed there anymore. For this we have to remove it. We push the load guard to the right and we lift it out, and then of course we can store it, for example in the back area again. So easy it is to use your load guard for preventing objects being thrown into the passenger's compartment anymore. And it looks really cool, and it is really good if you have a pad in the back side and the pad should not move into the passenger's area. It will be use a load guard for that, for example. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.